Imagine you've just sent a Zelle payment to the wrong person. Panic sets in. Can you stop the transaction? Let's find out. Have you ever sent a Zelle payment and thought, "Oh no, I sent it to the wrong person"? It's a common mistake, and it can be a stressful situation. But don't worry, there might be a way to rectify it. Understanding Zelle. Before we dive into the cancellation process, let's quickly understand what Zelle is. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment network that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It's a convenient way to pay friends, family, or even businesses. The cancellation question. So, can you cancel a Zelle payment once it's been sent? The short answer is, it's not always possible. Factors affecting cancellation. Several factors can influence whether you can cancel a Zelle payment. Time. The sooner you act, the better your chances of cancellation. If you realize the mistake immediately, you may be able to contact your bank or the recipient quickly. Recipient's bank. The recipient's bank also plays a role. Some banks may have policies in place that allow for the cancellation of Zelle payments under certain circumstances. Recipient's actions. If the recipient has already accepted the payment or withdrawn the funds, it becomes much more difficult to cancel. Steps to attempt cancellation. Here are the steps you should take if you realize you've sent a Zelle payment to the wrong person. Contact your bank. The first thing you should do is contact your bank as soon as possible. Explain the situation and request a cancellation. Your bank may be able to initiate a chargeback or reverse the transaction, especially if you act quickly. Contact the recipient. If you have the recipient's contact information, you can try reaching out to them directly. Explain the mistake and request that they return the funds. This approach may be more successful if you know the recipient personally. File a dispute. If your bank is unable to reverse the transaction, you may be able to file a dispute with your credit card company or payment processor. This is often a last resort and may involve providing evidence of the mistake. Additional tips. Double-check. Always double-check the recipient's information before sending a Zelle payment. This can help prevent mistakes in the first place. Use Zelle with caution. While Zelle is a convenient payment method, it's important to use it with caution. Avoid sending large sums of money to people you don't know well. Consider alternatives. If you're concerned about the security of Zelle payments, you may want to explore alternative payment methods, such as Venmo or PayPal. While it's not always possible to cancel a Zelle payment, taking swift action and contacting your bank can significantly improve your chances of success. Remember, prevention is key. Double-check recipient information and use Zelle with caution to avoid costly mistakes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.